Hey guys, Ricardo Nadal with the Nadal team coming live today from Chamblee. We got a full renovation here. It's going to be 3 full beds, 3 full bedrooms, 3 full baths, finished basement, completely redone, new roof, new HVAC, new plumbing, new electrical. This is going to be under 300,000. So if you have a house to sell, give us a call. If you want to get into this house and you have a house to sell, give us a call. We can buy your house or you can buy this. 678-381-8045. 678-381-8045. We're going to go inside in a minute. So this is the interior for the full renovation out in Chamblee. I want to show you here. We got a full bedroom. We got hardwoods throughout. This is a full bath. And this is your master here. And down this way, we got a beautiful master bath. This is actually your master bath. You got a walk-in closet in here. But beautiful work. Still a good, probably 5 to 6 weeks away still. But making progress here, a little bit behind with the COVID-19. But making progress on this full renovation by one of our investors in Chamblee, close to Charlotte Road. Under 300,000. So give us a call, 678-381-8045 if you're looking for a complete renovation. I got a full finished basement, beautiful quartz countertops, self-closing cabinets, 42 inches. So full renovation in Chamblee. Gonna be ready in about 5 to 6 weeks. Gonna go down to the basement. Got LVT flooring here, all the electric, AC, roof, brand new. Got another full bath in here. This is in your basement area. And another full bedroom down here, full bedroom. Very clean outside. New landscaping. Just a beautiful renovation. If you have a house to sell, we can buy your house or you can get into this one. 678-381-8045. Ricardo Nadal with your home sold guarantee realty. 678-381-8045.